Cambridge Electronic Industries are proud to be distributors for the Ouneva range of products, opening new markets in power connections for all our representatives and distributors. Ouneva is a family-owned company with all products designed and manufactured in North Karelia in Finland. The company has been developing high-quality connectors to meet the needs of the rapidly growing electrical industry since 1972. The manufacturing capabilities of Ouneva include metalworking, which includes milling and machining, punching, sheet metal work, die casting and turning. Their plastics line can handle 2 and 3K injection moulding, where 2 or 3 different plastic materials or colours can be used in a single product, liquid silicone rubber moulding, and precision injection moulding. They also have their own plating lines which can offer both electrochemical plating in gold, tin, nickel or silver, and a powder coating line. Although Cambridge Electronic Industries are able to offer any product in the Ouneva range, there are 2 main product lines we would like to feature in this introduction video: the OTL Universal Connectors and the OJL Distribution Blocks. The Ouneva OTL connectors are one of only a few branching connectors on the market that offer the flexibility of using both copper and aluminium cables in a high voltage solution. The OTL connector are available in 1, 2 and 3 contact positions in the standard range. The connectors are single pole solutions, meaning that all connections in a single connector are connected together. This range of connectors is available in red, blue and green-yellow housings, as well as grey and black. Each connector is compact in size and ensures the efficient use of space even in tighter installation spaces. The OTL connectors are available in a number of different cable size and colour options. The connectors offer a high voltage and high current range, making them ideal for high power applications. At the lower end of the scale, the 82 kilowatt connector would be used for most vehicle charging applications, including DC fast charging, known as public rapid chargers, and the combined charging system, which uses both AC and DC power. This power level is predominantly used in EV chargers to the home. The larger 135 kilowatt scale offers connectivity to the high power requirements of rapid chargers and the Tesla superchargers. In Europe, the main rapid charging system is delivered by the combined charging system using the DC power range. The higher power connectors from 320 kilowatts are currently used in data centres where a large number of servers and other equipment can be housed. More everyday applications can include supermarkets, hospitals and large hotels that need to power a large amount of equipment. The highest power of 850 kilowatt connectors would be used for heavy machinery, industrial processes of energy-intensive applications in factories or construction sites. These are also capable of connecting to large-scale electrical systems, including power grids. The range of connectors opens markets to all sources of green energy, solar, wind farms and hydroelectric dams, for example, as well as the consumer market of the EV charging solutions. Industrial applications of large-scale factories who use intensive industrial equipment, including robotic lines, are also possibilities for new customers. Multi-pole connectors are also available in the range, which offer either 3 or 5 poles. These are offered in grey or a combination of grey, blue and green-yellow. These connectors offer the flexibility to connect up to 5 separate inputs and outputs in the single connector block, as each position is insulated from the next one. OTL connectors are also available for a cable to busbar solution and are available in grey, blue and green-yellow colour housings. The key features of all styles of the OTL connectors include higher voltage ratings of 1000 volts AC and 1500 volts DC. There are 2 mounting styles available. The customer can choose between the screw or DIN rail mounting block, which features the click-set mounting mechanism, or the standard DIN rail mounting. The tightening torque for each size of cable is clearly labelled on the connector block shell. All Ouneva products are CE and UL certified. These are clearly marked on the label, and the OTL blocks have been certified for higher nominal voltages of 1000 volts. The connectors have pre-greased contact spaces. This, coupled with the hex screws to the top of the connector block, ensure quick and easy installation. Each block has places for component markers for easy cable identification. The spaces accept 5mm wide markers of the Partex TX range. Accessories for the OTL connectors include shroud covers to place over terminals you are not using, or if you want extra protection around the cable. The OJL distribution blocks are similar to the OTL connectors, but instead of connecting power sources, they are used in the distribution of power to numerous different places in a system. They can be used in conjunction with the OTL connectors or as a standalone product. They are again a compact module offering efficient use of space in tighter installations and tend to be smaller in comparison to the OTL universal connectors. There are 6 different versions of the OJL distribution blocks, which are generally named in line with their current capability. The blocks are single pole termination blocks with a number of different input and output contacts. All OJL blocks are rated to the 1000 volts AC and 1500 volt DC voltage ratings. It is worth noting that the OJL distribution blocks can accept aluminium cable as their input, but should only be used with copper cable for their outputs. OJL 80 distribution blocks offer 2 inputs and 6 output contacts and are capable of accepting up to 80 amps of current when using a copper cable or 75 amps for an aluminium cable on the input contacts. The OJL 80 blocks can be mounted on a DIN rail and are available in both transparent top covers or PA66 covers in black, grey, green and blue. OJL 135, as the name suggests, offers 135 amps for copper cable input and 120 amps for aluminium cables. There are 2 input contacts on the distribution block in 2 different formats. There are 6 output contacts in total, which are broken down into 4 outputs for up to 16mm square cables and 2 outputs for up to 10mm square cables. The OJL 135 blocks can be screw or DIN rail mounted and feature the click set mounting mechanism. They are available in transparent top covers and also PA66 covers in black, grey, blue and green. The OJL 80 and 135 can be series connected with each other or themselves. The OJL 200 has a single input which accepts from 10 to 70mm square copper or aluminium cable and offers 6 outputs of copper cable from 2.5 to 16mm square. The overall current capacity of the OJL 200 is 200 amps for copper cables and 160 amps for aluminium cables. They are available with transparent black, blue and green covers. The OJL 280 is a single distribution block for branching connections and distributes the current through 11 output cables in varying formats. Its maximum current capacity is 280 amps for copper cables and 250 amps for aluminium cables. OJL 400 and FBB offer the largest current capacity of the OJL distribution block range. The OJL 400 has a single copper or aluminium cable input, whilst the OJL FBB is designed for a flexible copper busbar input. Both connectors have current ratings of 425 amps for copper inputs and 380 amps for aluminium inputs. The current is distributed through 7 outputs, which are in 2 different cable sizes. Both the OJL 400 and the FBB versions also have the option of sealing the cover of the block. This is only available in both models with a transparent black cover. The standard models of OJL 280, 400 and FBB are available with black, blue or green transparent covers, and all models can be screw or DIN rail mounted. As you'd expect with any product that is used in a high voltage and high current application, safety is of paramount importance. Certification gives your customer reassurance that the power blocks offer safety, reliability and compatibility in any system that they would like to use them in. This is why the Ouneva OTL universal connectors are certified by UL and also SGS Fimco, who are the certifying body for CE marking in Finland. The OTL universal connectors have the CSA certification for the Canadian market. Both the OTL universal connectors and the OJL distribution blocks are certified to the standards which are required for the use of copper or aluminium conductors in switchgears and similar appliances. These are marked on the connection blocks on the side. When introducing the Ouneva range to your customers, please register the company name with Cambridge Electronics prior to introduction. This will protect your interest when introducing products and make sure that you are the exclusive representative for this range of products with that company. We hope you have enjoyed this video and learning more about the Ouneva products, and we have answered any questions that you may have had about the range of connectors. More information can be found on our website, and we are happy to answer any questions you may like to ask if you email sales@cambridgeelectronics.com.